Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to use my assisted living business plan template to quickly and easily complete your pro forma financial projections. So the way the video is going to work out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we are then going to review the Excel file or the financial model segment of my assisted living business plan template. Once we're done going through this little tutorial, at the end, I'll go ahead and give you all the link to where you can buy the assisted living business plan template if you like it, which again includes a Word document as well as Excel file. And then after that, we'll call it a day and move on with our lives. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan, as well as a professional business plan writer or business writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own assisted living business plan or messing around with those pro forma financial projections for your business, whether it be for the tutorial or just a custom written plan, you want to avoid the aggravation, again, pick up the phone, call me, send me a text, send me an email. Information's right here. Love to help y'all with a business plan. Next, I am a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So I do have some academic credentials backing up my thoughts and ideas with the template and the financial model. All right. That said, let's go ahead and look at the star of the show. So the star of the show is the Excel financial model right here. Comes with 4 tabs: your information page, your projections page, your profit and loss page, and then your income statement page. When you make changes to the information page, any one of these darker color cells here, when you make those changes, your projections are automatically updated. So every time you change a number, the financial calculations roll through and they're automatically updated. So on the information page, it is broken into segments as well. The first segment is your monthly sales. Then it goes to labor, startup cost, fixed monthly cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and then your loan information. All right, so for this right here, for the assisted living facility, I do break up the revenues into monthly. Usually, for the most part, the assisted living facilities, they collect their rent or their revenues are generated on a monthly basis as compared to weekly or daily. So that's how it's structured. Average monthly rent is the title for the revenue line. And so for this example right here, I'm saying that you're going to have, for this example, it's five patients or 5 residents. And for each resident, they're charged $6,000 per month. And then the variable cost is 15% or $900. So these are the numbers you would change, and then the information will update accordingly. So if you have 6 residents, you change it to 6. If it's $5,000 instead of $6,000 per resident, just change it to 5 instead of 6. Next is the labor. How much money is your executive team making, including yourself? $2,500, $3,000, $5,000, whatever it is, update it right there. And again, you can update all the darker colored cells. Employees, how many employees are you going to have? If you're going to have 4 employees, put it there. What's the average rate of pay? Whatever the rate of pay is, put it there. 172 represents a 40-hour work week. If you're going to have them part-time, then just adjust the monthly hours accordingly. Next is your startup cost. The first 2 lines right here is how much money how much money you need to get this party started. Equity investment is right here. How much money are you pulling out of pocket? And then your loan amount is right here. Well, once you put your information here in the loan amount, it's automatically going to populate down here. And then you can just choose your interest rate, whatever your interest rate is going to be. Whatever your term is going to be, you put it there and there, and then your payment will be calculated, and it'll also roll up through your rest of your financial statements as well. All right, next section is your fixed, and then the rest of the startup costs right here, and these are just general categories. Feel free to rename these categories if you want. These 2 categories need to stay static. And then here are the costs, whatever your budgets are going to be for each category, put that information there. And then once you're done, it'll total up automatically. Next is your monthly fixed cost. Just put your monthly fixed cost right here. And these titles cannot change. And then once you're done putting in your monthly fixed cost, then the monthly total will add up here. Tax rate is 20% as a foundation. If you're going to pay less or more, just change it there. Here's your growth rates. First 5 growth rates are your annual growth rates for the next 5 years, and then your other variable costs. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful, and y'all can see that, once you can quickly and easily update this information. But one more thing, once you're done with updating this information here, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to update your Word document. So let's say we're going to update our income statement. So what we'll do is we'll open up our Word document, which is right here. We'll go to the Pro Forma income statement section. We'll highlight the old one, delete it, and then hit Control V. And now we have our updated income statement for the next 5 years, and we would follow the same practice for the 12-month profit and loss. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. So time to wrap it up and sum it up. So if you do like what you see for the assisted living business plan template, it can be purchased here at qualitybusinessplan.com/assisted living business plan template. So you just go right here and you can make your purchase. Once you do, you get the Word document that I showed you, or I showed you in a separate video. But in this video, you would also get the Excel file or the financial model customized for assisted living industry, and so you would get that as well. Now there are some limitations. First and foremost, the Word document and the Excel file are not compatible with Google Docs. It's not compatible with the Apple products. And then finally, if you have questions about this assisted living business plan template before you buy, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be absolutely beside myself delighted to have a conversation with you. However, after you purchase the template, afterwards, there is no free phone support. So once you buy the template, I will refer you to my business plan tutorials, which is right here, and you can check this out before you buy. There's a lot of tutorials to help you understand, each one of the sections of the plan. Visit that link, check out those tutorials before you buy. If you like what you see, pull the trigger with the assisted living business plan template. And then finally, if you do want me to write the assisted living business plan business plan for you, I'd be absolutely delighted to do that as well. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.